Here's our cruise. Get to the room and they went all out for my sister since my sister's
She's nervous.
Here's my dad. And the guy had gold teeth. I've never seen that before. Morning guys, we're leaving the hotel now and we're gonna go to the port to go board the cruise. I'm really excited and here's Chloe. See you there. We're waiting for the bus to hop to the port and we got stickers to get on. So see ya. We're on the bus and we're almost there. I can see the cruises. Lineup of cruises and more cruises. There's so many lined up. And that cruise right there is our cruise.
Take a picture of it.
We just dropped off our luggage and the guy had gold teeth. I've never seen that before, but we're so close to the cruise and I'm so excited. Let me show you. Here is the cruise. It's so big. It's my first cruise, so I'm excited. We're walking out to the ship. It's right here. Family and back. Right here. So excited. We're walking in. It's like an airport, basically. This feels like an airport, basically. We're like this tunnel thing. And here is the ship. I'm so excited. I think this is the lobby and it's so pretty, look. It's so pretty. The cruise is so pretty, I love it. We're going to find our rooms so we can drop our stuff off and then we're gonna go to like some safety stuff. Okay, change of plans. The rooms aren't ready yet, so we're going somewhere else. We're gonna explore the ship a little bit, I think. So we're gonna go to the safety briefing, then lunch. This cruise is huge. It's like a maze. We don't know where we are, but it's okay. That's the fun of it. It's so pretty out here. Like, it's so pretty out here. After the safety briefing, we're all having lunch. It's round one. We're enjoying our lunch. This is round two.
No, it's a chocolate bar.
And my mom got dessert already. It looks so good. Connor got his healthy round. It's my sister. And I got this. Dessert is next. Hey guys, we made it to the room and they went all out for my sister since my sister's birthday is soon. So it's all on the door and then they gave her this like, I don't even know what it is. But they went all out and this is our room. They have a bunch of like banners across here. We have two single beds in this room. It's a very nice room. And wait, because they're in the room next to us. And then this is the bathroom. It's like, this is the shower. This is the full bathroom. Let me flip the camera around so I can show you. Here's my dad. Okay, we're moving now. We're getting out of the port. We're slowly moving out. Very, very pretty view.
What were you saying? She's nervous.
I didn't film an outro for that video, but after the dodgeball, we just came back and relaxed, and then woke up for day 2. Stay tuned for day 2. Bye, everybody.